Wow, it's good news for us. GLENMARK Pharmaceuticals, India, launched COVID-19 drug. Drug major GLENMARK Pharmaceuticals has become the first Indian company to commercially launch an antiviral drug, favipiravir with brand name FabiFlu, for the treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 patients. The company received marketing and manufacturing approval from the Indian drug regulator, Drug Controller General of India (DCGI), and launched the product in the Indian market today. GLENMARK, first pharma firm to get approval for an oral drug to treat COVID-19 patients in India. Priced at 3,500 rupees for 34 tablets, 103 Indian rupees per tablet, 1,800 mg twice daily on day 1, followed by 800 mg twice daily up to 14 days. GLENMARK did a clinical trial among 90 mild and 60 moderate COVID-19 patients across 11 sites in India. The drug is claimed to have an efficacy of over 80% in the treatment of COVID-19 mild to moderate patients. The approval comes at a time when cases in India are spiraling like never before and putting tremendous pressure on our healthcare system. FabiFlu will reduce this pressure. GLENMARK will work with the government and medical community to make it quickly accessible to patients across the country, said Glenn Saldanha, Chairman and Managing Director, GLENMARK Pharmaceuticals. The drug acts by getting into cells and inhibit the activity of viral replication to reduce the viral load. A high rate of viral replication can be controlled with early use of antiviral drugs. In later stages, viral replication slows down and the body's violent immune response drives disease to complications and organ failure, said the company sources. GLENMARK is also undertaking a study combining two antiviral drugs, favipiravir, an approved drug for novel flu pandemics, with umifenavir, an approved drug for influenza, in COVID-19 patients. Favipiravir, sold under the brand name Avigan by Fujifilm Toyama Chemical and approved in Japan since 2014 in treating influenza, is already being used commercially in the therapeutic management of COVID-19 in Bangladesh and UAE. It is under approval process in Egypt and Jordan and is a part of the treatment protocol in Russia, Japan and Saudi Arabia. About 18 global clinical trials in 3,000 subjects are going on, including in India, USA, Canada, Italy, China, France, UK and other countries. The drug has been approved for compassionate use on 2,050 COVID-19 patients in Japan. It's also approved for novel or re-emerging pandemic influenza virus infection in the country. A 760-patient trial of favipiravir is also undergoing in Canada. A couple of studies in China had also shown promising results. A Russian study among 390 patients had shown 80% plus success rate, and a trial among 2,141 patients in Japan showed above 88% success rate. So, take care of your health.